Today I'm working on a cluster from Ford Focus 2. Some pins from the CPU got damaged. Actually, somebody tried to open the case and with the screwdriver they hit the processor. I can tell there are three pins. There are 3 pins affected, damaged. Let's see if we can repair it. Okay, so the problem is right here. The problem is right here. You can see 3 pins. Oh, this one is ripped off the board, and no pin is left here, and this one too. Wow, I don't know if a component was here. I think not, because that looks factory, and I think this is the flux. Yes, this is the flux, so this is factory. So, oh, okay, this pin was the second pin from the top, and this one is the first pin. Yes, maybe we can save it. Oh no, all right, it's a tough job. They are very small. Those pins are very small. Maybe I can put a pencil here to see how small they are. Look at that. Compare to the pencil. Look how strong, how small they are. Maybe we can save this one. This looks bent. This job came from YouTube, so we can still save this one. It's really bent, and this pad is also broken. And this one, what's this? A piece of yeah, this is a piece from this trace. Let's clean up, maybe we can see better. What about those traces? They are looking okay. looks like the screwdriver came by this direction and this one from two directions. Okay, I think I'm gonna grind this chip, or maybe we can still solder some wires to these leftover pins. And I just wanna straight this pin. Because I don't want to make a bridge between this and the next pin, so this needs to be straight. Wow, I think I broke it. So this tweezer is very sharp. You can actually stab with it. Let's use something like a needle. This is a needle that is also sharp, but here it doesn't look very sharp. Okay, doesn't fit. Let's use a little knife. I think we can still use this pin. It's not broken. I'm gonna resolder it, and then I'm gonna restore those two. Let's apply some flux. And I applied a little blob of flux. You can barely see it with the naked eyes. I'm gonna change the tip to the smallest tip I have. Yeah, I think we can still use this pin. I think I'm gonna try to solder wires to these leftover pins from the processor. gonna use 0.1 millimeter wire. Let me use my tweezer. Let's apply flux again. I'm gonna apply just a tiny bit of solder. I think it will work. The pin is well soldered. They said they opened the case. They didn't notice that they damaged with a screwdriver this processor, and they replaced some LEDs from the front of the board. This is the back of the board, and when they plugged the cluster back to the car, didn't work. They restored then all the LEDs back to the original state because they thought that the LEDs are responsible for this cluster not working. Okay, I think we have a connection here. It's a good connection, nothing is moving. This one as well, this one as well. I just want to mask this area. Let's see from this perspective. They are looking good. No bridges. I think it's done. Yeah, no bridges. Perfect. I like it. Let's apply some UV mask. Just a little bit. So remember this area compared to a pen, to a pencil. Right now I'm gonna apply UV lamp. And I'm gonna wait for this mask to get hard. I'm gonna apply some hot air too. Just like that. And it is hard. Look at that. One more thing I need to do right now to make sure everything is working. I'm gonna plug this to the power supply to see if the cluster power up. Okay, the power is plugged in, the power lines are plugged in. I'm gonna hit start, output, and yes, we have some errors because the board is not connected to the car, but is working. Okay, so I'm gonna assemble this unit and I'm gonna send it to the customer. That's it for this video. I'm gonna close the shop and go home because right now it's 5 p.m. and it's Friday. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.